Hello, welcome back to the channel Studizen. So I would like to share you about a little bit how to change the font of Telegram. Before you change, you should type registry, and you say in your computer you type registry, and then you see the H key local machine. And then you click on scroll click down, and you see you see the like software. Do you see a software, software, and you click on software, and you scroll down, you scroll down, and you click on Microsoft. You mean Microsoft, and you can see the word of Microsoft, and you will click on the Microsoft word, and then you see it. Yeah, you see it, Microsoft. Yeah, that is Microsoft. And you click down on Microsoft, and you will you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. At bottom one, you see the word. When you scroll down, and you find you find the word window NT, and you click on window NT, and you see the word current version, and then you click on the current version, and you will find you find the word of the font substitute. Yeah, font substitutes, and you click on font substitute, you will be see the word of f shall DLG2, and you double click on that, and you will be change the style font. If you use your national style font, you can change before you because this Telegram, you will different national style font. You can change by your nationality, by your country, and you will change the font here, and you type, and you also copy from the word and paste at the platform, and you will be changed. And then if you finish of this change the font, and you will be shut down. So if you complete it all, please restart your computer. Yeah.